Welcome and thank you for clicking this hair video tutorial. Today I'm going to do a DIY crochet wig at home. I have this hair from Zuka and it looks like this. It's from Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, Prima Afro, and one pack is enough. After making it, it looks like this in this picture. I know I've been gone for quite some while, but I'm back now with hair video tutorials. So first you're going to need a wig cap like this one I have, then some scissors, some crochets, and the hair you're using. So yeah, let's get started. Valisha kofia yako vizuri, make sure haiko ndani nje, inside out. The good thing about this wig cap is that it has some holes, so it makes it easy for you to do this DIY crochet wig. And you can do it like this. So at this point my crochet needle broke, so I tried to like make it tighter with the pliers, but I ended up breaking it. So don't worry lovies, I've got you. If you want to do a DIY crochet wig and you don't have a crochet needle, I'm going to show you what you can use, like this, a bobby pin. So yes, you can use a bobby pin to So this is how you can split these crochet hair springs. You pull them straight, then you split. So I'm going to split the pieces I need.
They tell me that, they see my bitch, say she a bad. Anytime I knock it out, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. I know, love, she got my back. But do you cool, I'm happy that. But do you cool, say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I do, when you talk, I go do. Me another see another game for my bitch rocks. Yeah, loving you, know my ritual. She not stingy. She give me love, so you want it. All of them give me practice. Put it down, don't stop me. Yeah, give me love for my photo. Girl, you light in my store. She have me gone, I'm on score. She know they acting up so. Say anything I do is for my woman. Anything I do, you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, like my ritual. Me, I know they share my chest. I know they like your baby. I got it make it easy. She understand my pitch. She like, mangala, mangala, mangala. Oh, mangala, mangala. Abu Bakata for her bello. My girl is acting no problem. Oh, all of a sudden.
I'm done all around, and I'm going to make some baby hairs on this crochet wig so that it can look as natural as possible. Here's my DIY crochet wig, and I'm going to fill the left out gaps all around with this remaining crochet hair. Oh, look at this, lovies. This hair looks exactly like this DIY wig. Time to make the baby hairs.
They tell me this, they tell me that. They say my bitch, say she a bad. Anytime I knock it out. Rubber band, no rubber band. Every time I put down, they show me that. I know, love, she got my back. But I am I'm happy that. But I am say everything I do is for my woman. Anything I do, you talk, I go do, me, I know they see another girl for my visuals.
So this is how I do the baby hairs. You take some pieces of hair from the front part, then with your bobby pin, I take them backwards. Just take them backwards like this, and then with direction of front part, I just take them backwards coming in the front part, and then I just tie. I make sure I tie so that the hair can be secure, and then I just cut the rest. Because it's tied, the hair won't come out or fall out. I just tie it like this and then cut the rest, and there you go. There are your baby hairs, and your wig, DIY wig, looks so natural.
All of a sudden.
Yeah.
And here is our finished product of our DIY crochet wig glavies, and as you can see how it turned out. So watch the next video of part 2 of how you can style this DIY crochet wig in 8 different ways. So guys, don't forget to comment down below your questions, your thoughts, and how you see it turned out. And also like this video. Don't forget to share to someone who needs to see this, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So see you in my next video of part 2 of this one. Bye.